Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Writing Key Skills lesson for today, Wednesday, the 10th of February.
So here is our success criteria grid for today. Our learning objective is to develop key writing skills. Our success criteria: I can use capital letters and full stops correctly. I can use question marks. I can use exclamation marks. I can form my handwriting neatly and join my letters. I can use the conjunctions or, and, but, when, if, that, and because in my sentences. I can read my writing out loud to identify errors or missing words and punctuation. And our extra ones here for extra points are: I can punctuate direct speech using inverted commas, I can write in paragraphs, and I can use fronted.
We know how important it is to check our work as we go. So after each sentence, I want you to go back and make sure that you are marking your work with the symbols that we regularly use in class. I've placed the symbols on this slide for you to take a look at and double check that you remember what they are. We've got our question marks, our joined up handwriting, conjunctions, paragraphs, inverted commas, exclamation marks, capital letters and full stops, and our fronted adverbial sign. Fronted adverbials are quite new to us, and we've only just started learning about them in our last unit. Here, it explains that fronted adverbials are words or phrases at the beginning of a sentence which are used to describe the action that follows. I've included a collection of time, frequency, place, manner, and possibility fronted adverbials for you to possibly use. They're there to help you, so you can always pause the video here to look back at that before you start your writing. Today we're going to be looking at a picture entitled The Magic Tree. And here you can see there is a fairly regular looking tree, but with a bit of a difference. It seems like there is a portal into a different world as you look through the tree. And it also seems like there's quite a lot of destruction around this tree. The branches and things seem like perhaps it is becoming autumn. They're kind of changing colour, they're becoming orange and maybe losing some leaves, but perhaps that is actually due to a fire. It seems quite smoky there. What I want you to do is have a little think about what you think this picture might be about, what might be happening around this tree. And our first question today is, what do you think has caused the destruction all around this tree? So I would like you to pause the video here and take some notes about what you think has caused the destruction. Our next question is, why has this one tree survived? Does it perhaps possess some magical powers that means it is able to withstand all kinds of destruction going on around the tree? Have a little think about what you think the answer might be and take some notes now. Pause the video. Question 3. If you walked through the portal, what would happen to you and what would you see? Would it be an entirely new world? Would it take you to a different planet? Is that a moon I can see through the tree? What would be there? Would there be animals like we have on the planet Earth, or would there be different animals? Would there be mythical creatures? Pause the video here to take your notes and jot down your ideas. Now, if this was a portal to another world, would you go through it or would you stay on Earth, even if you had no idea what could happen? Pause the video here to take your ideas. Would you stay or would you go, even if what was beyond was a complete mystery to you? And the last question today is it good to take risks? Are some risks riskier than others? I'd like you to pause the video here and have a think about this question. take your notes. So once you've had a chance to gather your ideas, I'd like you to spend 10 minutes on each question, recording as many sentences as you can to answer them. I want you to make sure that you're checking your work against your success criteria grid, and make sure to send your work over to me on Seesaw so that I can see how you're getting on. Pause the video here to complete the activity. Have fun.